In the ever-evolving landscape of office technology, finding the perfect laser printer within a $400 budget demands meticulousness and foresight. No matter if you're managing a small business, juggling the requirements of academia, or setting up a home office, a reliable printer is your unwavering ally. With the terrain of print speed, connectivity versatility, and impeccable print quality, unveiling the right laser printer is no walk in the park. You can achieve printing success with these dependable and cost-effective laser printers that excel in every task, from monochrome reports to eye-catching brochures. We have listed the best laser printer under $400 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the HP LaserJet Pro 4000 and 1-Do Laser Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro 4000 and 1-Do Laser Printer provides lightning-fast printing speeds of up to 42 pages per minute (APM) in black and white, which makes it an ideal choice under $400. Its high-resolution capabilities of up to 1200 x 1200 pi ensure sharp and clear text, graphics, and prints with details. Moreover, this printer is compatible with various paper types, including standard sizes, as well as legal documents, letter-sized envelopes, and labels. The printer has a versatile 100-sheet multipurpose tray and a 250-sheet standard input tray, which allows efficient management of multiple print jobs simultaneously. An optional 550-sheet third tray is also available for users who require additional capacity. Moreover, the printer is equipped with automatic two-sided printing capabilities, saving time and reducing paper costs. Empower with enhanced control over their printing needs, and the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4000 and 1-Do printer offers seamless connectivity through built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet. By utilizing one or multiple 4000 and 1-Do units, you gain the ability to effortlessly manage their printers through the cloud, all from a centralized dashboard. To ensure longevity, the HP 148, a black original LaserJet toner cartridge, 2900 pages, and the 148X black original LaserJet toner cartridge, 9500 pages, provide ample toner for extended periods. If you're interested in this wireless laser printer under $400, check out the link in the description box below.